This is the core worldwide UTV production. Every single one of our vehicles must pass rigorous trials before entering the world. It's a 72 horsepower beast. 74 Newton meters torque, peaking at 6,500 revolutions per minute. This V-twin powerhouse redefines commercial performance. Charge through 50 centimeters waves like a beast. Conquer all terrain. Multifunctional design. Outdoor recreation is just the beginning. Fully capable for agriculture, forestry, ranching, and emergency rescue missions. From the modern city to the world, our ATV is pushing past every limit. Yohu Global Partnership Program now accepting applications. Unlock billion-dollar opportunities in the untapped ATV sector. Yohu, your reliable partner.